guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the February mystery, and I'm super excited about this mystery. It is so dang beautiful. I'm just super excited. I've also called it March mystery about 17,000 times. I always feel like I'm 10 months ahead. We have like up until I think May done, and then I also have June and July, so I have like May, and then I go right to like August as far as like my mystery, so I'm always like semi-confused as to where we're at. But this mystery is, mysteries are exclusive to the subscribers, so you cannot get this mystery now, but if you are subscribed, this is what you'll be getting. So I'm going to go through the Ultimate Kit first. The Ultimate Kit does come with quite a few extras. That's the incentive of purchasing the Ultimate Kit, is you do get all the extra sticker extras, as well as a bunch of now foil extras, which I'm really excited about. And the Mini Kit is the more affordable option, but it has less extras as it does cost less. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm so excited for this theme. And the colors, I feel like the colors are really unique. We'll go over all of the foil extras last, and then we'll go over all of the regular extras after the kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. So this is the February mystery. I wanted to do kind of like a botanical black and white with a little bit of pink, like garden type theme with butterflies, and this is kind of what came out of it. This is exclusive art, so you will not find this art anywhere else. Kind of wanted to go a little bit different. I feel like we've been doing a lot of pink and purple kits, but obviously I still like think pink is my comfort zone, but the kit is like mostly kind of leaning towards the blue, green, and gray, which I think is so fun, so pretty for March or June or August, even July even. It's very like summer springy, but I feel like you could totally use this anytime if it like had a special meaning to you or something like that. So this is the full box page. I just love everything about this. I love this girl's dress. I love her pink hair. I love the butterfly. I love the scene. I love all the flowers, all the pink and the mixture of greens in there. Then here is your deco page. So you have the deco over here, which you have the two different fashion girls there, and then you have a bunch of different deco, which is so beautiful. And then these are the colors. So you can see we have the really pretty, like kind of like muted blue, the gray, the really beautiful like palm colored green, and then you have that kind of like blush light pink. Then you have your icons up here, your circle icons, the check boxes, your extra full box, squared off boxes, and paydays. Then this page is the functional page. You do have the faux silver glitter sprinkled throughout. You have your half boxes page, your headers, little things, and your headers, your little things, and your fancy labels, washi. You have your ombre heart checklist, and then last but not least, you do have the washi, which I just think is so beautiful with the one little butterfly, and you have all of the little lily pads there with the pink date covers, and you have your extra full box on the side, which is just so dang cute. So that is the Ultimate Kit. I'm so psyched about this. I'm kind of trying to decide if I want to use it in March, June, or July. I think I'll probably end up using it in June, but I could go totally in the March direction. This also does come with the bows this month. There's also not the option. I'm so used to doing new release videos, but this is the fashion girl, so it's a different girl than this one, but you do have different skin tone and hair color options here. So you have like gray, blonde, a brunette, and then a little bit of a darker brunette colored hair there. Then there is the glitter sampler, and then there's also the 15mm washi strip, which is going to look so cute as a contrast to the very blue and green bottom washi. Or you could totally save this and use this with a different kit, because the pink is very like, there's going to be other kits with this pink in it as well. So those are all of these sticker extras. Oh, and of course you get the little freebie. This is the old version with the SBC new releases in the munchkin box. Then for the foils, so we used to do like one foiled extra and then a journaling card. Is that what we did? What was last month? Birthday? Yeah, we did one foiled extra in the journaling card. I feel like we're still doing just as many stickers. Did we do different stickers before? I don't think so. Yeah, I think that pretty much you're just not getting a journaling card and getting more foil. I don't know what I did, but it works out better for y'all anyways. So, especially if you love foil, which there's not a lot of people who don't love foil. So, let's go into the foil releases with this. So these are like all new designs, obviously, and I am super excited about them. So these are all kind of like butterfly themed, which again is, I want to kind of make it like theme specific, but also things that you can use outside of it. Like I feel like butterflies you could totally like pull into other spring type spreads. So you do have kind of the full boxes here. So the full boxes have palm leaves and little like rosebuds. So those are super cute. Again, you can use these with this kit because they totally do like match the aesthetic, or you could use these with another kit, very like spring summer appropriate. You do have some glitter header overlays, so these have really pretty butterflies on them. Super cute. Another hack that if you guys watch my plan with me's is you could totally like, let's say you use these in your spread, you could totally like cut these like vertically and then use these as little deco pieces, which is what I like to do if I do like snowflakes or something, just to pull in some mini deco. You have this which overlays perfectly on top of here, or like I said, you could totally cut these if you're not like into the bottom washi overlays, or let's say you want to use, you know, you already have a bow on you want to use, you could totally cut these up for more deco in this spread or another. And then you have 2 deco sheets here. I wanted to do some like bigger ones, and you can totally put those over on the spread. And then these ones are more kind of like a lot more like deco size ones. I feel like you can kind of sprinkle in your deco area or anywhere else. And again, you could totally use the butterflies here, which match, or you could totally use these with another kit as well. So you do get the 5 little foil sheets here. So super cute. And that is everything that you get in the ultimate kit. So normally in shop, this guy right here would be $29.95, but you do get the glitter sampler, which is $4.95, the fashion girls, which I believe are $1.95, the bows, which we don't offer anymore, but I think used to be $1.45, and then the washi strip, which I believe is 95 cents, and then you do get the overlay, the full box. I mean, the foil obviously changes per month and like the extra change per month, but it's usually something around this. You get the full box, the header overlays, and 2 deco sheets, all for the price of what the kit normally is. So it's definitely a very good deal. And honestly, like the mysteries that I have planned, I feel like I'm really amping it up. I'm trying to step a little bit out of my comfort zone while still making like it very usable for, you know, as many people as possible. I try to keep the themes general while still being a theme, and still being a theme a lot of people I think could use and can appreciate. So this is the February mystery. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit in case you're interested. Like I said before, this is exclusive to the mystery. I do kind of leave it open-ended that like maybe in a year I can reformat it, but I won't be offering these in shop any other time. If you do want to subscribe for the mystery, you will be able to do that on the 13th, and that will be for the next month. If you go to the website at any time, there is on the top, like where it says shop and like menu and frequently asked questions, there is a little mystery tab. So there's tons of information there as well. If you guys just like, you're like, I don't want to watch the video again to figure out when it is. It's always on the 13th, unless the 13th is on a Friday. Then I usually do it on like the Sunday, but I do announce on Instagram, and it's usually a good like 24-ish hours that they stay open. Kind of depends on how fast the spots go. So this is the mini kit. So you do get the full boxes, same mini kit format as in the shop. You get the deco page, you get the functional page, you get the half boxes page, you get the bottom washi page, and then as your extra for this, which is a $4.95 value, you do get the glitter sampler. So overall, I think it ends up being like a, I'm not good at fast math, y'all know, I think it's like a $21 or $22 value for the price of the mini kit. So that is the mini kit version of the subscription. So really good value. Especially if you just love SPC kits, especially if you love foil, definitely hop on this one because it's a really great value. And I'm trying to keep the extras really like kind of like generic, but still like keeping in the theme, you know, because I still want it to be kind of like it matches the theme. I'm gonna tell you right now that next month's foil extras are probably going to be the best foil extras I ever put into any mystery ever. Like they won't be able to be topped. Probably my favorite foil release that I've ever done. And the kit itself might be one of my favorite kits that we've ever released ever. The colors, oh my god, they're so pretty. But it's kind of like a little bit more a specific theme, but I think that, you know, in your lifetime you could 100% use it. And the color is beautiful. The art is, like I said, even from the artist, it's 100% my favorite. And as far as like in kits I've ever done, I would say it's in my top 3 favorite, and the foil is my 100% favorite foil release ever. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this mystery. Again, if you want to subscribe for next month, that'll be open on the 13th, unless that's a Saturday. I'm going to go ahead and check for you guys real quick so you guys can set an alarm on your calendar or in your planner. It's a Wednesday. So actually I'll probably do it on the 11th. So I'll put those up on February 11th for you guys if you guys want to sign up if you're not already. But yeah, so it will be charged on the 13th and then it ships before the 28th. So I hope you guys, sorry, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.